This tutorial guides you through adding a new season in the spreadsheet view of the AgriWiz program. Once you have used the AgriWiz program for a season in a particular field or block, you can easily create subsequent seasons from the spreadsheet view. It is advised that inexperienced users of the AgriWiz program should use the season wizard to add new seasons, as errors in data entry here can have serious consequences. Use the Spreadsheet button to open the spreadsheet view. Select the correct farm from the drop-down list. It is recommended to select more than one season to view so that you can compare details for each season. Click the blue star next to the most recent season for the relevant field or block. Confirm that you wish to create a new season. Select name to specify or edit the name associated with the season. Clicking Plant allows you to check the planting parameters. It is particularly important to check the season start and end radius and change these if necessary. The end radius of the previous season will be used as the start radius of this one. This may need correction if, for example, pruning has taken place, or the trees have not reached the radius previously predicted. Click on any value to change it. A blue check mark will appear in the Save column indicating that there is new data to be saved. Navigate through the different season data tabs to check that there is no missing data. Select Irrigation to view and adjust irrigation settings for the season. Check the minimum and maximum irrigation depths. The Save button is at the bottom of the page. You will be warned if you try to leave the page without saving any changes. Click Save and Stay to save your changes and remain on the current page for further edits or season additions. You will be warned if any critical data is missing, and this will be underlined in red. A separate video gives a detailed overview of the spreadsheet view, and more information is available in the help files. You can find these under the question mark at the top right of any screen in the program.